Today at Brad's Home Center, we're going to practice installing a brand new dishwasher. Brand new dishwasher. Now I've already taken the box off of this one, and as you can tell, it's a Frigidaire model, and it's a brand new dishwasher. Now most people try and go down under here and do all the work. That is just hard. I don't know about you, but every year I get older, that ground gets farther away. So all of us who are in the industry do it like this. We roll the dishwasher over. Careful not to scratch it up, and we put it on a pad. And all your connections are right here, upside down, really easy to get to. You have your water, got your electricity, actually have a Cat 5 here for a diagnostic, and your power. And out of here, over on the side, you have the part that hooks up to your garbage disposal. This is really super easy. Now, we all use that GE kit over there that has all the parts in it. That way we don't go running back to the store. It's like $29.95. I'd pay $29.95 not to go to the store. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hook up your water line. Now this looks like a hose bib. We're going to remove this little front panel so we can take a peek at it. It's going to make it easier for you guys to view it out there. The first part we're going to need to hook up this looks like a water hose, and it certainly is. Here is the universal adapter. And if we screw it on straight, which we never can do, now I just wanted to get that on straight. I backed it off and took it back on because it was fighting me a little bit. I wanted to make sure I didn't cross thread it. Now it's nice and tight and heading out this way. Here is your stainless steel water hose, and I highly recommend these because they don't freeze and they don't bust. And if you can ever get them straightened out, you'll be all right. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And this one, almost 6 feet long, so you'll always be able to hit your water valve. Very easy. Now notice, so far, everything's got washers in it, so you don't need any Teflon tape. There we go. Should finger tied in. Nice and snug. And of course, you're going to water check all these things before you leave the kick panel off. Next, we need to do the electricity right over here. You got black, white, and green. Green's your safety ground, white's your neutral, and black is your high. Alrighty there. Now we're going to do the next part, which is the electrical, which is the part that scares everybody. Now, our friends at the industry and the government have determined that we are all stupid. So what they do is, in this wonderful GE kit they give us, they have a slide-in clip. Goes right in there. Clips right in. So that your power cord is attached to your dishwasher. Now, new U.S. government regulations say that all electrical appliances do not need to be hardwired and should not be. So they give you a cord in the kit now. So you ought to be able to plug it in and remove it without removing your dishwasher. Now the one you're probably removing does not have a cord on it and is probably hardwired. You need to update it to current code. It's really simple when you're doing electrical wiring. It is color coded. If you're colorblind, do not do this. We start with the white wire, attach it to the white wire. Turn them around each other. Take the wire nut and tighten her up. And you should feel it getting really tight. You can't move it anymore. Next one you ought to do is the ground. This is your safety ground. It is green. It will not keep the dishwasher from running, but if you don't hook it up and there's a short, it will electrocute you. This is what blows the breaker and keeps your family safe. Always hook up all your grounds. Third one is black. That's your hot wire. That carries all that high volt electricity to the dishwasher. Here you go. Twist them together. Tighten them up. Now, I always keep in my toolkit a little bit of electrical tape because I like to tape my nuts. You just need a little bit of black tape. And this is more for it not coming apart and keep water from dripping in. It's just that little extra bit of, it's a professional and it's a safety thing. And you can see how much better that looks when you get done. Now, I have seen lots and lots of people, and I'll say this again, lots and lots of people don't tape them up and will not put the metal cover on that we're just about to do. They are both very important, and it's all for safety. Your dishwasher will run without it, but if you ever hurt yourself and the insurance inspector comes out, he's going to not pay you because you didn't do it. I got all my 3 nuts all taped up nice and pretty. Next thing, we got to put the cover on. Cover's got a little clippy here and a little screwy there. Whole idea is we cover all the wires. All right, see how that's all inside the box? We line up our hole. We take our high precision DeWalt tool, put it the right direction, and we are done. Okay, now the next most important thing is there's a hole inside right over here that you slip your water fill and your drain hose to. This hooks up to garbage disposal, this hooks up to your water valve. Now, before I always slide mine back in, I've already leveled it off. I put my toe panel back on. Now we just roll her over and slide her in. And those are the 2 front clips that keep it from sliding over. Now there's 2 ways to do it. There's these top clips. They also leave you 2 holes in the side here, one here and one here, where you can actually put a screw in and a cap. Because sometimes you've got a granite top and you can't put any screws in. And that's how you install a Frigidaire dishwasher.